I'm back again. This time I'm going to get a unboxing and review of my Shady Rays. It's upside down. I provided 10 meals here to fight hunger. Shady Rays. So I've taken them out and kind of looked at them just a little bit. Each pair of glasses, they come in this little, get the camera right where I can see it. They come in this little bag, and I think this bag can actually be doubled as a cleaner. So we've got two different styles, and of course I can't read anything without these glasses. So you get this Adventure Weights. It's got a little placard in it. And there's a sticker. Alright, so the first one, it's kind of that orange color. And I don't remember the exact style, but and you can kind of see my hand, my fingers behind the lens, so they're not that dark. I'll try them on. You can see kind of what they look like. They are polarized, which is good. Inside polarization kind of freaks out my eyes a little bit, but for that it's not too bad. However, this pair of glasses, the arms are so tight that they don't actually, so they're very hard to open. Alright, so and then the next pair, these are kind of a wood grain, and they open up a little bit easier. They don't have a spring back or anything. They are very lightweight. I mean, they just don't feel like there's anything there, which is nice, because over time, like I have these, which are these are Luxotticas or Ray-Ban, and these are about the only ones I'll wear because they squeeze on my head and give me headaches. And this one is very lightweight, again polarized. And they're not real dark, but they are comfortable. I can tell where this is probably working, you know, it might slip off my head. But not too bad. A little tight on the hinges as well. But then again, you know, like this probably fit right in my pocket, because that's kind of where I hang my glasses, is on my pocket. So it's not too bad. But these are definitely, I wonder if there's a way to fix those. Let me see here. Go to my Ultimate Master Kit. Let me just see if we can kind of fix these glasses so they're not so... Now they're a little bit better. So when you can flip them open. Just a little bit tight. They'll probably wear in. I might be able to put just a dab of oil here too, which normally I don't want to do too much of that. Just a little tiny bit. Tighten them up just a slight bit just to make sure they aren't too loose. Yeah. Much better. Does that look cool? On me it probably looks like crap, but anyway, there's my review of my Shady Rays glasses, sunglasses, polarized. Thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you like, and we'll see you on the next one.